Hi guys, right, so you've been on the About Us section, you've learned all about us, you've had a little look at some reviews maybe in the Google Hall of Fame, and you're still on the website. So, maybe we've got one thumbs up, we're moving into two. I like those odds. Here on this section, we're going to discuss the process. This is everything from start to finish with Alpha Grafikon, just so you know how it all works, and I'm going to explain why the process is there as well. So what I've tried to do is, I'm aware of, I'm an entrepreneur, do you know what I mean? Obviously I'm an entrepreneur and I've worked in product-based businesses before, so I understand that you can get very busy and you don't want to be spending all your time on the phone talking about a website. On that side of it, I am also a business owner. I am very busy and I don't want to be on the phone talking about updates and edits and everything going forward, because I want to be able to help the next entrepreneur. This process starts with a one-to-one digital, no obligation consultation. All we do on this is we talk about you, your business and your goals. And then I offer my advice on how to get there. Whether you don't take this advice or whether you use me off the back of this advice is entirely up to you. I would much rather give you the right next steps and you go and do it yourself, rather than go to somebody who's going to take all your money and you're going to get absolutely nowhere and you fail before you've even begun. We don't want that. If you do decide to take my services during the course of this call, then we'll start to detail your website, page layouts. We'll do your widgets. We'll figure out what's going on your site. Any other additional extras that you may think you want or that I may think you want, we'll cover in this consultation. Once that is done, we'll move forward. Okay, so the next part of it is I will bring you your branding. I want to bring you your branding across to you. This is your logo. It all starts with the branding. This is the hardest part. Everything spans from just that logo, which is why me doing it myself, I have full control over everything that happens going forward. Your design isn't going to look like 3 or 4 different people have built it. Whilst you're looking at this branding and seeing if you do want any changes or if you do like it, what I'll be doing is I'll be on with your website. I'll be putting your pages in, adding the widgets, doing the backlinks, making sure that everything is within Google's algorithm and is going to work perfectly for you. When you come back to me, hopefully with no changes, doesn't always happen like that though, your website will be there. I'll take care of any changes that you want and then I'll apply the branding to the website. This is when it all starts to come together as one. At this point, you get access to our Alpha Site Editor tool and your own personal portal. Within this portal is something called the site comment system. Now, website amends, you don't want to be spending all day on the phone with website amends. You've got stuff to do, and I don't want to have to build a massive call center for all the websites that need amends. So this is a very simple system. You click on anywhere on the website you want something changing, type in your message on what you want changing, let me know there's changes, I will go in, change them all in one swoop, and then everything's coming up roses. At the point you are ready to be set live, payment is received by myself. This is your build fee and then your first month's contract as well. There's no contract going forward within Alpha Grafikon. If I'm not doing enough to keep your business, then I don't deserve it. Quite simple. If you don't pay the monthly amount, the website becomes dormant until such point where you do pay it or you are able to pay it again. Think gift card. Nice and simple. By doing this as well, I don't have as many overheads. I don't have to open call centers, employ people to help me with your website amends, which means my website build fees are right down here, because I'm not greedy and I don't have to pay anyone. So that's perfect. Website's set live then. You're happy, I'm happy, you've got an editor tool. What happens then? I give you a one-to-one training session on that editor tool. I will create a personalized video for any edits you may need to do on that website, and I will take you through it. And then you can just refer to that video anytime you want. I will tell you though, I work 19 hours a day, and that's not an exaggeration. I'm available all day. Just drop me a message and I'll talk you through it. Something that might take you 5 hours could take me 5 minutes, and I could teach you while I do it, and then it'll take you 5 minutes. Lovely stuff. Website's live, everything's trucking away, so what happens then? Google changed their algorithm quite a lot. Any SEO updates that come through get applied to your website without you even knowing really. And what I will do as well, I am a bit of a stat junkie, let's call me. I'm always in the background of the websites, looking at who's engaging, how many people are coming in, if people are coming back, and if anything's happening. If I think that there's anything I can do on the website to push the sales or the engagement or change something that's happening, then I will add it. As an example, I noticed that a customer was getting quite a lot of the people were visiting the page quite a lot, visiting the store quite a lot, and not a lot was happening. So I figured it was repeat visitors. You know, people were coming back and weren't really doing anything. I developed a pop-up that came on the 3rd visit. It just said, "You've been here before." If you personalise a user's experience, then they're 81% more likely to take action on your website. So I will apply updates, make little changes just to make sure the website is performing as best it can for you. With all this, you'll be truly set up for success, honestly. The digital knowledge that I have, I'll pass on to you, no problem. This is where to post, how to post, when to post, what to put in your posts. People will charge you money for that, I'm not gonna. So yeah, that is the process in a very large nutshell. And it's all done for you. It's all done for you. It's done for me to make sure that I can keep running the business as best as I can for every single customer, and that you can keep running your business whilst I'm helping you. Very simple. So what we can do now, you can click the button below, and that's going to take us through to the web development page. There is our social hub downstairs, so you can see, you know, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. See what we get up to on there. All things are available on your website as well. I'll see you over on the web development page. Cheers, guys.